This video is for my buddy John. He originally built the Quadrajet. That's on my Caprice wagon. I want to show how good this thing runs. I haven't run it in a few hours. Let's see if she starts with no pumpage. No joke. No pumpage at all. This thing's a great cruiser. It's got a high volume oil pump in it. It came with the engine, I should say. I took it apart. It didn't really show any kind of signs of any damage, so I just rolled with it. I threw it back in the engine and it's got good oil pressure. I'm in overdrive right now. This has a 273 rear gear. I have to make a manual choke for it, so the choke's just kind of flopping around lackadaisic. Sometimes it'll kick on a fast idle, other times it won't, but I can't open up the rear barrels in the carburetor because of the lockout from the choke, but that's okay. For now anyways. I mean, I'll make it right. Fuel economy's not terrible. I've put about 80 miles on this car already. It's a cruiser. It's not the nicest looking thing, but it's got patina, it's got class, it's not a rotted piece of garbage. Brakes work really well.